Hello and welcome to our channel. Here we present some spicy tech mails. First story of the day. 300,000 Nintendo accounts hacked. Nintendo has almost doubled the number of user accounts compromised by hackers in the past few months. The Japanese gaming giant originally said that 160,000 Nintendo accounts were compromised, exposing personal information like the account owner's name, email address, date of birth, and their country of residence. In an updated statement, the company said another 140,000 Nintendo accounts had been compromised. Nintendo said the number increased as a result of its continuing investigation. The company said it reset those passwords and contacted customers. The statement reiterated that fewer than 1% of all accounts were impacted by the breach. Up next, Japan startup's launch of compact rocket fails due to engine problem. A Japanese aerospace startup's launch of a compact rocket failed Sunday morning in Hokkaido due to an engine problem, the company said, marking the latest setback for a project that has suffered a series of delays. Interstellar Technologies Inc.'s Momo 5 rocket fell into the sea without reaching space. Ground control shut the engine down 70 seconds after liftoff from the town of Taiki at around 5:50 am, it said. Part of the engine was damaged during the launch, and the fuselage could not longer maintain its orientation, the company said. The rocket reached an altitude of about 11 kilometers before falling into water some 4 kilometers off the launch site. Well, that's a wrap on this video. Please do subscribe our channel to get more of these spicy tech mails. Adios.